Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out a generic schedule of test results. First, ensure you have all your test data organized and ready. This includes specific test names, the dates tests were performed, and the corresponding results. Understanding the schedule's purpose helps maintain accuracy and consistency. We will cover each section step by step to make this process straightforward and error-free. Now, let's focus on entering your data accurately. For each test, locate the column for the test name and input it clearly. Next, find the date column and enter the exact date the test was conducted, ensuring you use a consistent format like mm/dd/ei. Finally, input the actual test result into its respective field, whether it's a numerical value like 2, 5, or a descriptive outcome. Precision here is key. To avoid common errors, always double-check your entries. It's easy to transpose numbers or make small typos, which can significantly impact data integrity. Also, confirm that all units of measurement, such as milligrams per deciliter or milliliters, are consistent throughout the schedule. Finally, verify that each test result is correctly matched with its specific test and the date it was performed. A quick review saves time later. Before finalizing, take a moment to review the entire schedule for completeness and legibility. Ensure all required fields are filled and that your handwriting, if applicable, is clear. If the document requires a signature, sign and date it appropriately for official record keeping. Remember, a well-maintained schedule is a valuable tool. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.